Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we are going to be using gel products from Sundara Nails and these fabulous dotting tools, which I'm obsessed with. They are completely not only gorgeous, but they are the best dotting tools that I've ever used. They are sturdy and they feel really nice in the hand. And then we're also going to be using the gel base and top coat. And then we're going to use these two colors. In the first one here, it's Strawberry Moon, which is finally back in stock. I'm so excited. You can see here that it looks almost white, but it has a very light pink tone to it. So it definitely is that milky pink white, and it is gorgeous. And we're going to pair it with Peachy. Now Peachy, it's just like the name. It's the perfect peachy pink. You can see it right here. It's super pretty. Now this color is not in stock right now, but I will go ahead and list a comparable to it in the description box below. So we're going to start right away by applying that base coat to all the press-ons. Today we are making a press-on set. I just find that it's easier to do art on press-ons, plus I really wanted to keep this set and reuse it, and that's the beauty of doing your nails at home, is that you can switch things up from doing nails on your hand or making a custom press-on set, and then you can reuse it. I just felt like after doing all this artwork on the nail that I just wanted to keep it. I didn't want to pop it off right away, so that's why we are doing a press-on set today. Okay, so I will go ahead and link everything that we're using in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to start making your own press-on sets at home. Now when we jump into the nail art, we're going to be using those dotting tools to create the hearts. It's going to be the same technique that I used in last week's Wednesday's video when I created that heart spider gel mani. Alright, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end. You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive, but if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
And up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know.
Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super cute for Valentine's Day, and I really had fun creating this nail art. These dotting tools are so amazing. I'm completely obsessed with these dotting tools. Now, if you tried dotting tools in the past, you know how they feel like really light in your hand, and they're just like that cheap plasticky feeling. These are super sturdy, and I feel like I get a really good control in my hand when I am creating nail art with these. I don't know, and the price point is right. They're like $10, so, and they're super cute. Can't go wrong with them, but I'm really obsessed with these dotting tools, and you will definitely see them on my channel more. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.